Hi, welcome to our foods. Let's make mixed veggie coconut rice. These are the ingredients for it. Now take instant pot, add butter, add bay leaves, add cloves, saute well the peas, add curry leaves, saute onions, then add all the veggies available with you: carrot, cauliflower, pepper. Saute them very well. Make sure you saute onions well before you add all the veggies. Once you saute all the veggies, add ginger garlic paste, chili powder, salt, turmeric, and then saute it very well. This is the most important step. Just make sure ginger garlic paste is sauteed well. You can also add ginger garlic paste. Prior to adding veggies and saute along with the onions itself. Now add washed rice to the mixture. Saute well and then add coconut milk. Add some water. Mix it well. Once it's mixed, add some garam masala and then mix them well. So now you can turn on the pressure cook mode of instant pot. Till now the mode of the instant pot is in saute. So now you are going to do it in the pressure cook mode. So we can even use the instant pot in the rice mode. I have used in pressure cook mode for 12 minutes so that it is cooked very softly. Once it's done, serve with curd or crispy sides of your choice. Add a hint of lemon for extra tanginess.